This is the only country on Earth where fire burns and ice melts at the same time, where it rains and storms for 300 days out of 365, where you can find a waterfall, a glacier, and a volcano all on the same road. Yes, I'm talking about Iceland, the most beautiful, the most dangerous, and the strangest country on the planet. Join World Traveler YT as we explore the land of fire and ice in stunning 4K. Iceland is an island nation in the middle of the North Atlantic Ocean. Population, only 400,000 people. That's the size of one neighborhood in Dhaka. But the size? 1.5 times bigger than Bangladesh. There are no mosquitoes here, no trains, and no McDonald's, because this entire country was built by volcanoes. Yes, the whole island is floating on top of a volcano. Iceland is called the Land of Fire, and for good reason. There are 32 active volcanoes here. 2021, 2022, 2023, almost every year new lava erupts. Look at this glowing red lava. This is Fagradalsfjall Volcano. People come with tents and sit here all night just to watch it. And this boiling water? These are hot springs and geysers. Water from deep underground shoots 20 meters into the air. 90% of homes in Iceland are heated by this geothermal energy. Their electricity bill? Almost zero. And this is the land of ice. 11% of Iceland is covered in glaciers. This massive white mountain is called Vatnajokull Glacier, the largest glacier in all of Europe. In winter, magical ice caves form inside it. The inside glows bright blue. It feels like you've stepped onto another planet. And these ice chunks on the black sand beach? This is Diamond Beach. Ice breaks off from the glacier, floats in the ocean, and gets washed up here. When the sun hits it, it shines like real diamonds. Iceland has over 10,000 waterfalls. This is Skogafoss, 60 meters of pure power. The sound is so loud it shakes your chest, and if the sun is out, you can see two rainbows at the same time. And the coolest thing about Seljalandsfoss? You can walk behind the waterfall, seeing the world through a wall of water. That feeling is impossible to describe. From September to March, the sky comes alive with the northern lights, green, purple, pink, dancing all night. And in summer, the sun never sets. At 12 a.m., it's still bright outside. This is called the midnight sun. 6 months of darkness, 6 months of light. Even scientists can't fully explain it. Iceland isn't just a country, it's another planet. Nature here reminds us every single day how small we really are. Do you want to visit Iceland one day? Comment down below and write, "I will go." And to see the most beautiful countries on Earth in 4K, subscribe to World Traveler YT and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.